After we click the Run button, and on the Run script dialog, we didn't select debugging option. So it says no debugging, and we clicked OK. The clip tool is run. The clip tool ran, and the button of the bottom of the ArcWing interface, a message appears on the status bar like this. Exit code 0 means no errors were encountered. So exit code 0, it means no errors were encountered. So now we're going to examine the interactive window in Python Wing. So the interactive window should look something like the example here. So there are the same messages that are normally sent to the result window. We have a start time. Let me just clear all. All right, let me run it again. Okay. And we have reading features and cracking features, assembling features, and succeeded on Monday, January 1st, 2018. And elapsed time is 0.23 seconds. So instead of printing all the messages, we can specify one in particular. So what we're going to do is replace the last line. That we will do message count equals argpy dot get messages and then msg count -1, and we're going to save and run it again. Okay, so something wrong is here. Line 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Message count. Oh, message count. It's not here. Message count. Get message count, and then print argpy dot get messages, and then message count -1. Go to save it and run. Oopsies, and run it again. Click OK. What did I click? Import reload. Alright, run it again. Click OK. Alright, so I have clip and shapefile, message count, and we have argpy get messages count. Oh, not messages. Get message count. And save, run. Okay. All right. So nothing printed out right now. And then it didn't say anything. Run it again. Okay, let me just clear everything. Control A, delete, and I'm going to say run. Click OK. Okay, now finally. Okay. So here it says we save and run. This code runs the clip tool, determines the number of messages, and return only the last messages. I told my attribute only the messages from the last tool executed are kept by argpy. So to obtain messages after multiple tools are run, we can use the result object. And we're going to modify the code a little bit. Let's see. Import argpy from argpy import environment, and environment workspace equals the path, and environment override output true. We will do new clip. Alright, so here, instead of here, we will do true new clip. We will have ArcGIS clip analysis. Clip analysis, we will put bike routes, bike underscore routes dot shapefile, and then parks shapefile zip, no zip, and then parks shapefile and results bikes clip, bike clip shapefile, and we will get f count equals arcpy dot get count management. We will have results and bikes, results bikes, not bikes, clip dot shapefile, bike underscore shapefile, and delete this. Thank you, Python. So it has help guide, message count, ArcGIS message count, and print new clip. New clip get count, get messages, get messages, get message. Oh, let's see. New count. Okay, let's save new clip. No space. New clip. All right, let's run. There was a typo here, so let's see. It should be get messages, and let's run again. Save and then run. Still. All right, so import ArcGIS from ArcGIS import environment and environment workspace, and then we have an environment write output true, new clip, ArcGIS clip analysis, bike routes shapefile, parks shapefile, results bike, oh not bike clip shapefile, f count, and then ArcGIS get count, and management results, and then bike. Oh, we have clip dot shapefile, and then message count, new message count equals new clip dot ArcGIS dot messages dot message count. Print new clip get messages, and then message count to -1. Save, run. Print new messages, new clip. Oh, get message. All right. Click OK. All right. It says return exit no exit code 0. So we save our clip, and then we're going to close it out. And now we're going to work on our license. So when we import ArcGIS site packages, we get access to all the geoprocessing tools in ArcGIS for desktop. The tools that are included depend on the product level and the extensions that are installed and licensed. So let me go back to my ArcMap. There. So I'm going to have a blank document, and we're going to open Python window at the command prompt. So now we're going to do is print ArcGIS and product info, and then ArcInfo. So running the code prints the current product license, for example, ArcView or ArcInfo for ArcGIS Desktop Basic and ArcGIS for Desktop Advanced, respectively. Alternatively, we can check whether a specific license is available. And now what we're going to do is at the command prompt, we're going to enter ArcGIS.check product, and now I will have is ArcInfo and see already initialized. Perfect. So if we are running ArcGIS for desktop advanced ArcInfo, the code returns already initialized or available. If we are running a lower license level, it returns unavailable. Perfect. The same approach can be used to determine the availability of licenses for extension. So on the ArcMap menu bar, we're going to go to Customize, and then we will go to Extensions. And then I check everything already earlier because some code was not using. And we're going to select the check boxes for the extension on the list. We may get a warning message, some of them like example here, that we will do it. So we will, I don't have any warnings, so click close. Customize extensions. Okay, so a warning means that the extension has been installed but not licensed, but you are able to turn on an extension without getting a warning message. It means a license was obtained. For the purpose of the following steps, we're going to assume that a list of available license looks like the example here. The list of available licenses may look somewhat different. But right now, I think I have everything, and we're going back to return everything, and then we will type, I have to close this out, and ArcGIS.check extension, and then I will do tracking, oopsies, I don't need that, available, perfect. So if a license is available, the result code is U available. If no license is available, the result code is not licensed. And we're going to run the following code here is that we will do ArcGIS check extension and spatial. And it returns U available. When working with geoprocessing tools, it's a good practice to anticipate the licenses you will need. In the next set of steps, we're going to create a script that uses an ArcGIS for Desktop Advanced license. So now we're going to back our Python wing, and we're going to create this new script. So I prefer everything is new, Control A, delete everything, and then I'm going to type everything. But before we type, I'm going to File, Save As, in Exercises 5.